At ScaleHub, our goal has never been to replace your intelligent automation, input management, or cognitive capture solutions. We'd rather help you get more from the investments you've already made. If you have a data extraction solution, you know the results can be hit or miss, especially when it comes to capturing handwritten content, character-based languages, or data from less than perfect documents and images. Ultimately, someone has to fix any misread the solution introduces into the process. And people are simply better suited for certain tasks. For optimal results, you need both human and artificial intelligence. ScaleHub crowdsourcing makes the human part of this equation scalable. Combine your extraction solution with an on-demand workforce, and suddenly you're processing structured, semi-structured, and unstructured documents of any volume, in any language, and with unmatched speed and accuracy. Not to mention you've reduced the operational costs and liberated your employees from some of the most boring and time-consuming tasks. ScaleHub makes this possible with the extraction solution you already have in place.